So here's something special. Ralf Schumacher BMW Formula One car. It's going to be demonstrated here this weekend at Portimao. Yeah, that's going to be screaming around here very loud and proud. There's no doubt about that. Wow. I mean, I'm not really a car person, but I can really appreciate that. That is something very special indeed. BMW power. So you can see this more involvement from BMW in MotoGP. They've got, of course, the safety box, the safety car. I mean, they've brought this out of some museum somewhere, prepped it for a demonstration. Yeah, let's see if this badge will be on one of the MotoGP bikes. Something special down pit lane here is Maverick Vinales' beautiful Aprilia machine. And Maverick Vinales himself. Having a look at the Formula One car. That's what he's looking at. Something pretty cool, a Ducati photo shoot going on here. There's the number one bike, Nea Bastianini. There's Nea Bastianini there. And there is Pecco Bagnaia. Very cool.
Spiego Giulia, come ho discorda appena entrato, dobbiamo fare una foto qua e
Digging the new number as well, it looks cool. I like it. I love big numbers. You can go. No. You look fun. It's him. He looks funny, that one there, so it's fun. Yeah, I like this color scheme, eh? Love this. Love it. You're not going to be needing these tires this whole weekend. Yes, that's the size of those forks. Nice. 15. Yeah, 19,000 PlayStation buttons, but not as complicated as that other thing.
Half of them do nothing.
Just there for show. Oh, really, eh? Just there for show.
More or less.
I love the yellow wheels. Those yellow wheels, man.
I feel sorry for the tire guy.
Yeah, shame. He's got to keep those things nice and fresh and clean.
Every time my mechanic's chuck chain lube, I think,
Well, at least you got a good brand in Liqui Moly with all their cool stuff, eh? You like that marketing. You like that marketing thrown in there. No, this is beautiful. Well done, Des. Can't wait. Cannot wait. So here it is then. Darren Binder's new helmet design for the 2023 Moto2 season. I'm still getting used to it. I won't lie, to be honest. I did love his kind of more South African inspired lid from last year. It's not too bad. I think it fits nicely with the bike. I think it goes nicely with all that. But yeah, I'll see. but maybe it'll just grow on me. It'll get better, I'm sure. What do you think? What do you guys think? Tell me.